Okay, Grandma. Here we go. Here we go. This is what they got done in one day. So, not going to talk a whole lot. Just, this is the entry from the garage going into the hallway. And we'll go to the bedroom on the left as you come in this way. We got, I think they're done in here, I'm not sure. All the walls, and I don't know if that's gonna come out, but getting pretty dark. And, but anyway, that bathroom looks, from what I can see here, looks finished. Or close to it. And then I'll go across the hall. We'll shoot into the pantry here first, or laundry room, utility room, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, they've almost pretty much got this. They should be possibly taping tomorrow. They're not quite as far on this bathroom as you can see. Our bedroom and bathroom and the closet. So, anyway, go back out. And then there's the kitchen wall right here. Turn. That's still got to be done. We go around the corner here and go into the office, and I think this is pretty much about the same as it was when I took some photos earlier. And then the powder room is here, it needs to be done. So anyway, there's the nook. It's almost done. They can't finish this wall because this is for bathroom. Then you go across where the refrigerator and that little cabinet's going to be, and then you have that wall there. Then the dining room. They'll get that wall after they eat up all of this. They got quite a bit of drywall in here to eat up, but I'm sure because of the way it's got to be cut, there's going to be a lot of waste. Then go into the master bedroom, and there you go. It's kind of the same way, not totally finished. They'll probably be finished tomorrow, though. In the closet, they've got a few sheets up in the closet. And then the bathroom. The toilet. That goes around. So, enjoy it, Grandma.